morning, children. Welcome back. Our today's topic is exercise 4.2 of class 9 mathematics, chapter 4, linear equation in two variables. Okay, so let we start. Question number 1 of exercise 4.2. The question is, which one of the following option is true and why? Y is equal to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution, only two solutions, infinitely many solutions. Here the question you can see that y is equal to 3x plus 5 has two variables there, right? We can write it as in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 also. That means it is a linear equation in two variables. So we know that a linear equation in one variable is having only one unique solution. But in a linear equation in two variables are having infinity solutions are there. Multiple solutions are there. Right? So which is the correct answer? Option 3 is the correct answer. Because every value of x we get a corresponding value of y and vice versa. Right? Hence given linear equation has an infinitely many solutions. Okay. Now question number 2. Write four solutions for each of the following equations. First question is 2x plus y is equal to 7. Here we can put any value for x. Then corresponding value of y we will get. Right? So first we can put the value of x is 0. Then 2 into 0 that would be 0 plus y is equal to 7. Now we can shift this 0 to right side. Then y is equal to 7 minus 0 that would be 7 itself. So what is the solution? 0 and 7. Now second one means if we are putting the value of x is 1 then 2 into 1 2. 2 plus y is equal to 7 means we are subtracting 2 from 7. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So the solution is 1 and 5. Now if we are giving 2 as the value of x, then 2 to the 4. Then 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So the solution is 2 and 3. If we are putting 3 as the value of x, then 2 3 is 6. Then 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So the solution is 3 and 1. So these are the four solutions of this equation. Now next second one, pi x plus y is equal to 9. Right? Here instead of coefficient of x, here it is given pi. Okay. So first number, if you are putting 0, 0 into pi that would be 0 itself. So 0 plus y is equal to 9. That means the value of y is 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. So the value is equal to 0 and 9. The solution is 0 and 9. If we are giving 1 as the value of x, then pi into 1. That means 1 pi. So 9 minus 1 pi. That means 9 minus pi. That is the value of y. So here we will get the solution 1 and 9 minus pi. That is the value of y. Okay. If we are giving 2, then pi into 2, that means 2 pi. So 9 minus 2 pi is the value of y. So the solution is 2 and 9 minus 2 pi. Right? At the same time, if we are giving minus 1, so pi into minus 1, that should be minus pi. Now we are shifting minus pi to right side, it will change as plus pi. Right? So the value of y is equal to 9 plus pi. So solution is minus 1, 9 plus pi. Clear? These are the four solutions. Now question number 3. X is equal to 4y. We are giving the value of x is equal to 0, then 4y is equal to 0. That means y is equal to 0 upon 4. That means 0 itself. So the solution is 0 and 0. And second solution, if we are putting x is equal to 1, then what should be the value of y? 4y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 upon 4. The solution is 1 and 1 upon 4. Next, if we are putting x is equal to 4, then what should be the value? 4 upon 4, that is equal to 1. So the value of y is 1. So the solution 4 and 1. If you are putting any other means a minus 4 we can give. So minus 4, if you are giving minus 4, then what will come? Minus 1. Then the solution is minus 4 and minus 1. Clear? Now we can see question number 3. Third question is Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4 and which are not. So each question we have to put the value there, then we will get. Here 0, 2 means x, the value of x is 0 and the value of y is 2. So we can put the value on the equation, that is x minus 2y. So x is 0 and minus 2 into 2, that is equal to what we are getting the answer. LHS side what we are getting? 0 minus 2 into 2, that is equal to minus 4. And in RHS what is the answer? 4. Here x minus 2y is equal to 4. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So this solution is not correct, right? Now we can take second one. 2 and 0 means the value of x is 2 and y is equal to 0. Now putting the values on x minus 2y is equal to 4. So that is equal to 2 minus 0 into y. So what is getting in LHS is equal to 2. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. But RHS what it is given? 4. So this is also not correct because LHS is not equal to RHS. Now see third one. 4 and 0 means x, the value of x is 4 and y is equal to 0. If we are putting the value on x and y, what we are getting? X minus, x means here 4, 4 minus 2 into y, 0, 2y is 0, but we are getting 4 minus 0 is equal to 4, that is our RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. So this answer is correct. Now 4 0 is a solution. Now you can check the next number also, root 2 and 4 root 2. Here it means x is equal to root 2 and y is equal to 4 root 2. So here if we are putting the value there, what we will get? X minus 2y is equal to 4. We are adding the numbers there. X is minus root 2 and y is equal to minus 2 into 4 root 2. What we are getting? Root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2. That is equal to root 2 minus 4 2 jar 8 root 2. That is equal to minus 7 root 2. That is also not correct. LHS is not equal to RHS. RHS is given 4. So this is also not a solution. Now last one, if 1 and 1, if it is given the numbers x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So putting x is 1 and y is 1, then x minus 2y is equal to 4. Means 1 minus 2 into 1, that is equal to 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. But our RHS is 4. So this also LHS is not equal to RHS. So 1 and 1 is also not a solution. So here only the solution is third one, 4 and 0. Clear? Now question number 4. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k? Let's see. Here we have 2x plus 3y is equal to k, right? That is our equation. So we can put the value there, x is 2 and y is 1. So 2 into x, 2x plus 3 into y means 2 into here value of 2 is 2. 2 into 2, 4 plus 3 into 1, that is 3. So 2 plus 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 3, how much it is? 7 minus k, that is that we are getting 7 is equal to k. Thus the required value of k is 7. So here we got the value of k, that is 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Okay. So here we are completing this session. Thank you.